Hey gearheads, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing the symptoms of a bad brake rotor. We'll explore the reasons why they go bad and how long they usually last before replacement. Stick to the end because I'll reveal how much it will cost you to replace your brake rotor and the tip you can use to maintain your brake rotor. Your car's braking system is one of the most important safety features on the road, and understanding when your brake rotors need replacement can help you avoid dangerous driving conditions and costly repairs. Brake rotors work alongside the brake pads to create the friction needed to slow down and stop your vehicle. Every time you press the brake pedal, the rotors are exposed to intense heat and pressure. Over time, this constant stress can cause them to wear down, become thinner, warp, or develop surface damage. As rotors begin to fail, you may notice warning signs such as vibrations while braking, squealing or grinding noises, longer stopping distances, or an uneven brake feel. Ignoring these symptoms can reduce braking performance and place extra strain on other brake components. Regular brake inspections are essential for maintaining safe driving conditions. Catching rotor problems early not only improves braking performance, but can also prevent more expensive repairs later on. If this is your first time in this channel, kindly subscribe. We post insightful auto video weekly. Now let's continue.
What are the signs of bad brake rotors? There are several warning signs that can tell you when your brake rotors are wearing out and need attention. Catching these problems early can improve braking performance, reduce repair costs, and help keep your vehicle safe on the road. One of the most common signs is vibration while braking. If you feel shaking through the brake pedal or even the steering wheel when slowing down, the rotor surface may have become uneven. This often happens when brake pad material builds up on the rotor surface, or when the braking system overheats from repeated hard braking. As the condition worsens, the vibration usually becomes more noticeable. Loud braking noises are another major warning sign. Squealing, screeching, or grinding sounds can indicate worn brake pads or damaged rotors. Grinding noises are especially serious because they often mean metal components are rubbing directly against each other. In many modern vehicles, brake pads include built-in wear indicators that create a warning noise when the pads become too thin. Replacing worn pads early can help prevent expensive rotor damage. Brake rotors can also develop cracks after being exposed to excessive heat. Small hairline cracks sometimes appear during extreme braking conditions, such as aggressive driving or racing, and may occasionally be repaired through resurfacing.
However, larger cracks that extend toward the edge of the rotor are dangerous and require immediate replacement, since the rotor's structural strength is compromised. Another common issue is grooves or surface damage on the rotors. Dirt, rust, worn brake pads, or metal backing plates scraping against the rotor can leave deep marks and uneven surfaces. These grooves reduce braking efficiency and may cause rough or inconsistent stopping performance. Many drivers believe their rotors are warped when they feel vibrations, but in most cases, the issue is actually uneven rotor surfaces rather than true warping. Either way, the braking system should be inspected as soon as possible to avoid further damage and maintain safe stopping power. So let's move further. What causes brake rotors to wear out? Brake rotors naturally wear out over time because they constantly deal with friction, pressure, and high temperatures every time you apply the brakes. However, certain driving habits and poor maintenance can make them wear down much faster than expected. One of the biggest causes of rotor damage is overheating. Frequent hard braking, driving down steep hills, towing heavy loads, or aggressive driving can generate extreme heat inside the braking system. When rotors become too hot repeatedly, the surface can become uneven, leading to vibrations and poor braking performance. Smooth and controlled braking helps reduce heat buildup and extends rotor lifespan. Worn brake pads are another common reason brake rotors fail prematurely. Brake pads are designed to wear down gradually, but if they are ignored for too long, the metal backing plate underneath can begin scraping directly against the rotor surface.
This metal-to-metal contact can quickly create deep grooves, damage the rotor, and reduce braking efficiency. Replacing brake pads early is one of the easiest ways to protect the rotors from expensive damage. Rust and corrosion can also shorten the life of brake rotors, especially in areas with high humidity, heavy rain, or salted roads. While light surface rust is usually harmless and often disappears during normal driving, severe corrosion can weaken the rotor and affect braking performance. Vehicles that sit unused for long periods are especially vulnerable to rust buildup. Regular brake inspections, proper maintenance, and careful driving habits all play a major role in keeping brake rotors in good condition and helping the braking system last longer. How long do brake rotors last? Brake rotors are built to last much longer than brake pads, but they still wear down over time and eventually need replacement. On most vehicles, brake rotors typically last between 30,000 and 70,000 miles, depending on the type of vehicle, driving habits, road conditions, and the quality of the braking components. For many sedans and compact cars, rotors can often last between 40,000 and 70,000 miles. Heavier SUVs and trucks usually experience faster rotor wear because of the extra weight they carry, so their rotors may need replacement closer to 30,000 to 60,000 miles. Performance vehicles, which are designed for higher speeds and more aggressive braking, often wear through rotors even faster. Compared to traditional steel rotors, premium carbon ceramic rotors can last significantly longer and, in some cases, even outlive the vehicle itself.
However, they are far more expensive and are mostly found on high-performance or luxury cars. Your driving style plays a major role in how long brake rotors last. Frequent hard braking, towing heavy loads, stop-and-go traffic, and driving in mountainous areas can all increase wear. That's why mechanics usually inspect the rotors whenever the brake pads are removed. If the rotors are too thin, warped, cracked, or unevenly worn, they may need resurfacing or complete replacement to keep the braking system performing safely and smoothly. Just as promised, let's look at the replacement cost and professional tips to maintain your car brake rotor. Replacing brake rotors and brake pads is one of the most common brake repairs, and the total cost can vary depending on your vehicle type, parts quality, and labor charges. In most cases, drivers can expect to spend anywhere between $300 and $800 per axle at a professional repair shop, while a full front and rear brake job may cost even more on larger or high-performance vehicles. The good news is that brake rotors usually last longer than brake pads, so they don't always need replacement every time the pads wear out. If the rotors still have enough material remaining and are not severely damaged, they can often be resurfaced instead of replaced. Resurfacing involves removing a thin layer from the rotor surface using a special machine called a lathe. This process smooths out grooves, corrosion, and uneven wear, creating a fresh braking surface again. Resurfacing brake rotors is much cheaper than buying new ones and is often a cost-effective option for minor wear. However, rotors that are too thin, cracked, heavily warped, or deeply damaged should always be replaced for safety reasons. Keeping your brake rotors in good condition largely comes down to proper driving habits and regular maintenance. Smooth braking instead of sudden hard stops helps reduce heat buildup, which is one of the biggest causes of rotor wear. Using high-quality brake pads that match your driving style can also improve rotor lifespan and braking performance.
It's equally important to replace worn brake pads before they become too thin, as metal-on-metal contact can quickly destroy the rotor surface. Routine maintenance of brake calipers and slide pins also helps ensure the pads release properly after braking, preventing uneven wear and overheating. When installing new brake pads or rotors, properly bedding them in allows the surfaces to wear evenly and improves long-term performance. Regular brake fluid changes are also important because clean brake fluid helps maintain stable braking pressure, especially during high-temperature driving conditions. With proper care and timely inspections, brake rotors can last much longer, helping you avoid expensive repairs while keeping your vehicle safe and reliable on the road. That is all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If so, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video. Thanks for watching. See you around.